Dear student, already we have completed the syllabus and all the topics and video clips on all the topics already we have given to you. Uh, Now again we are going to give some video clips based on different concept and just like the revision, because you have to give the exam, first term exam, you have to give and you have to take preparation for that. So different concept we will discuss today. Now, first of all, that that number name and number in figure. Number name means suppose 23754. That is 23,754. Okay, you have to write in words. 23,754. That you have to write in words. Now sometimes that in words we will write. Now you have to write in figure. So how suppose 2 lakh 5, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 5. So 200,005, that is 2 lakh 5. So like this way. Now other type of sums are there that you have to find out the place value. Place value, how you will find out? Very simple. So 5734293. 29 you write. So 5,73,429. Now if you want to find out the place value of 7, then how you will find out the place value of 7? That 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So 7 is in 10,000 place, so 70,000. Or you write the 7, after that how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So 40 you have to put here, then you will get the 70,000. So this way you will get the place value. Now expanded form and short form. Okay, expanded form and short form. What will be expanded form? One number, suppose 32956. This is a number 32,956. Now expanded form will be 3 lakh 30,000. First 30,000, 3, then 40, then 2,000, then 900, then 50, then 6. So 30,000, 2,956. So this is called the expanded form. This is called the expanded form. Now short form, similarly expanded form will be given to you like suppose 50,000 plus 720 plus 3, then 50723, 50,723. Okay, so this is the short form. This is the expanded form. So sometimes expanded form will be given, you have to find out the short form, and sometimes short form will be given you have to find out the expanded form. And successor, predecessor, that you know all very well. Successor means the next number. 32,759, 32,759. So successor of this one, if you add 1, then you will get the successor, that is 32,716. So next number, or if you add 1, then you will get the successor of the given number. Now predecessor, predecessor means the previous number. Similar way, 32759, same example I am taking. Now minus 1, that is 32758, 32,758, just before. So 32,759, 32,759, this is the number just before that, 32,758. So this is the predecessor. So successor and predecessor you have to find out. And another or very important thing that before that I am showing you some that greater than, less than, or equal to symbol. Sometime you have to put. So two numbers will be given to you, 59327. Here also you see 59372. Okay, apparently both are here 59327, here 59372, but both are not same, different. So up to this 593 same, after that here 2, after that 7. So which one is first one is greater than second one or less than second one, or both are equal? So 59,327 and 59,372. So this one is less than second one. So less than symbol you have to give. If it is greater than, then greater than symbol you have to give. So these are the sums that may come in exam. Next, ascending order and descending orders. Ascending orders, that means from smallest value through the greatest value you have to write, you have to arrange the number. In case of descending order, just opposite. Okay, suppose a group of number, if it is given, you have to find out the greatest number or smallest number among the group. So that type also may come. Now very important thing, that formation of number according to the condition. Suppose 9, 3, 2, 7. They are 4 digit. So try to understand very carefully. There are 4 digit. Okay. Now if you want to make the 4 digit greatest number, 4 digit greatest number if you want to make, then arrange in descending order. First 9 you have to write, then 7, then 3, then 2. This will be the 4 digit greatest number. Now 4 digit smallest number, so just reverse, so you write 2, 3, 7, 9. Then you will get the 4 digit smallest number. Okay, but if we want to make with this 4 digit 5 digit greatest and 5 digit smallest number, and you may repeat the digit, 5 digit number you have to make, greatest and smallest. But here we have given you 4 digit and one information that you may repeat the digit. So in case of greatest number, greatest digit will be repeated. 9 will be repeated 2 times. Then 3, 2, 7. All the digit you have to use, and one digit will be repeated. So in case of greatest number, the greatest digit will be repeated, and in place of smallest number, smallest digit will be repeated. 3, 7, 9. 2, 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay. 4 digits, but you have to make the 5 digit number. You may repeat the digit, but which digit will be repeated? In case of greatest number, only the greatest digit will be repeated. How many times? 2 times. And in case of smallest number, smallest digit will be repeated only 2 times. And other digit you have to write as it is. Okay. And you have to use all the digit, but only one digit you may repeat according to the condition. Now, suppose greatest 5 digit number with different digit you have to make. Greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number, 5 digit with different digit. If you use different digit, then greatest will be, first one you have to write 9, after that 8, then 7, then 6, then 5. There are 5 digit number. This is the 5 digit number. If you want to make the smallest number with different digit, then first you have to write 1, then 0, then 2, then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digits. So these are the using different digits. Greatest 5 digit as well as smallest 5 digit number using different digit. But if the condition like this, you have to use only 2 digit. Try to understand. If you want to use only 2 different digit, then greatest will be 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. And smallest will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0 and 1 2 digit, and 9 and 8 2 digit. 2 different digit we are using here. If we want to use the three different digit, then 99987 and 10002, 12345 and 12345, 5 digit. So if we want to use three different digit, and if we want to make the 5 digit greatest number, then this will be the 5 digit greatest number and this will be the 5 digit smallest number. Okay. So today up to this, again we will do some revision in next time, and based on that video clips also will be given. So thank you all.